Do you remember my best friend Olivia? The next tip is to paint art with your friends. It's so easy.
This way. Yes, a little bit more. A little bit. No, it's too much. No, a little bit more. No. Yes.
So let's start drawing something. Adele, okay, so what should we paint? Each other or something else? Like, I think I'll start with paint too. Because I have a paintbrush. Then you have blue. So you should use the blue. I don't know. Okay, guys, look at my hamster Fluffy. His name is Fluffy because he is so fluffy. Olivia, do you want to play with my hamster? Yeah. Oh, he's so put him in the house. Add the sky blue too with yellow and oh, look at that, whoa, guys, could you see this? Purple to orange, and then it's like, oh, it's brown, it's gray. Oh, yours is so nice. It's the night. I'm not saying it in real life, but on my painting. It looks like kind of. Look, Olivia, look. Let's see mine. Whoa. Everything is. I don't have pink again. I'm gonna take yellow. Let's some little dots. Oh, so beautiful. I have colorful dots all over the picture. I'm gonna do like yellow and blue so I can make it kind of look like the night. Does it look like the night to you? Not in real life, but on my painting. Does it look like it? A bit. Whatever. And then what do you think I should add? Purple? Really? Yeah. I think we should add some green for the grass. And purple. For the what? For just to be nice. Nicer. Oh my goodness, look how much green there is inside. Nobody has used this green. Ah! You took a junk. Oh, that green. Ooh, that's... I got a junk too. It's called a mass. Or a junk. No, a mass. I'm doing lines because it's so much. Let's see. Whoa! Whoa! That's dark purple. No, that's blue. That's dark blue. Okay, now I need blue. And this is blue. I need the dark blue for the dots in my picture. See what I'm doing? Olivia, is this gonna be for you or is it gonna be for one of your friends? I don't know. You didn't choose yet? Mix it blue. Okay. Oh! Ah! It looks like a rainbow color. Look, it looks like a rainbow color. Don't you think? It looks like dark green. Look at mine. It looks like a light green. Wow! What are you doing? Yucky. Let's wash this. You're washing your hand? So funny. You know I could go there and wash your hands. Yeah, but we can get the video style. Whoa, cool. Is that the video style? This is a picture of friendship, and this is for you. This is for you too, Olivia, because you're my best friend in this whole wide world.